Hi friends, once again welcome to AGP's classroom. In AGP's classroom, we are going to discuss Indus Valley civilization in the spirit. All are welcome. Indus Valley civilization is a Bronze Age civilization. We have discussed Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age in a previous period in HAP's classroom. During Bronze Age, man began to use tools and equipments made of bronze. And bronze is an alloy produced by mixing copper with tin. In Bronze Age too, cultivation was the main occupation. As man began to use bronze tools, cultivation became more easy. Do you know what is meant by river valley civilizations? We know man began to settle at a particular place when he began to cultivate. Cultivation flourished as he began to use bronze tools. Fertile soil and irrigation facilities are available on riverbanks. As human settlements concentrated on riverbanks for these reasons, there flourished certain civilizations. And those civilizations are known as the River Valley civilizations. And what is meant by civilizations? Civilizations means the sum total of all the routines or customized activities beginning from the birth up to the death of man. Anyway, Indus Valley civilization existed on the banks of the river Indus. Evidences of this civilization was found out from Harappa for the first time. So, Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. The city of Harappa is now in present Pakistan. Exhibitions conducted here was led by Dayaram Sani. Another place from where evidence of this civilization was obtained is Mohenjo-daro, and exhibitions here was led by R.D. Banerjee. Actually, the Harappan civilization stretched from western part of Pakistan to Alamgirpur of Uttar Pradesh in India, and between Kashmir in the north and the Narmada Valley in the south. Present main cities and consecutive countries where Harappan civilization sustained are listed below. And the cities are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Sirajpur is in Pakistan, Alamgirpur, Banwali, Kalibagan, Lothal and Dholavira, and Rangpur is now in India, and Shotgai is now in Afghanistan. The very special feature of Harappan civilization was the wide use of hard baked bricks for constructions. Houses, other buildings, drainages, walls, everything were made of these bricks. Hence, regarding social and administrative system prevalent in Harappa were found out by investigators. And as per these hints, all cities of Indus Valley civilization was divided into two parts. The upper western part and the lower eastern part. The ruins of a big building, this building was probably an assembly hall, is found out from the upper area. It seems this part was used by the administrators. And ruins of small houses were found out from the lower area. It points out this part may be used by common people for inhabitants. The houses of Harappan people varied in structure. Some of them had only one room and some others had many rooms. Each house has its own courtyard, well, and toilet. Houses were made along both sides of a planned road. Harappan people had a well-arranged drainage system. Wastewater from houses were let out into drains, and all drains were connected to a main drain. Drainage also were made of baked bricks and top was covered with stones. In Mohenjo-daro, researchers found a great tank. It was a man-made pond with steps from all the four sides. This tank was called the Great Bath. Both the drainage system and the Great Bath indicates the sanitary awareness of Harappan people. The main occupation of Harappan people was cultivation. The ruins of granaries have been found out by researchers from Harappa. Granaries were big buildings with facilities to dry and store grains. Remains of wheat, sesame, pulses, etc. were found out by researchers. From Rangpur and Lothal, they could find out remains of rice too. As the agricultural fields were formed after long-term deposition made by river Indus, the soil were highly fertile and irrigation facilities were provided by making canals. Figures of plough excavated indicates that these people were using plough for cultivation. Canals made for irrigation also were made of baked bricks. Figures of certain animals made of clay indicates that these people reared animals like goat, ox, pig and sheep. The granaries were used not only to keep the surplus grains produced by farmers, but also to keep the grains collected as a revenue from people. It indicates a well-administrative system prevailed in Harappa. Surplus grains stored in granaries began to be exchanged, and another occupation came into being, and it is trade. Weighing and measuring machines or weighing and measuring equipments were excavated by researchers, and it indicates accurate weights and measures were used for exchange. Certain inscriptions discovered from Mesopotamia mentions their trade relations with Meluha, and according to opinion of certain historians, this Meluha is Harappa itself, and the seals excavated from Harappa also stands as evidences for their trade relations. Lothal was a center of maritime trade, and the clay model of ships also indicates Harappan people have maritime trade relations. The Harappan people collected copper from the mines of Khetri in present Rajasthan, and they collected tin from Afghanistan, and by mixing these two they produced bronze. And as these people used bronze equipments widely, the civilization is known as Bronze Age civilization. Handicrafts was another occupational field developed in Harappa. The utensils, figures, ornaments and various seals dug out from Harappa stands as evidence for their craftsmanship. And ruins of kings widely dug out indicates Those people were skilled in pottery also. Ornamental works were done on clay pots, and clay models of man and animals were made. They made ornaments using copper, bronze, and gold. Bangles were made using tortoise shells. They made seals from clay and stone. Probably they had their own scripts also. Evidences of situating a strong belief system among the Harappan people have been discovered. Clay figures of women widely discovered indicates worshipping the mother goddess in connection with fertility of soil. According to historians' opinion, the model of man dug out from many places may be of Shiva, the proto-Shiva, and they were worshipping god Shiva. They worship animals and trees also. The great bath of Mohenjo-daro might have been used for religious ceremonies also. Several views prevail among historians on the causes of decline of the Harappan civilization, and those views are listed below. It may be the flood in River Indus, external invasion, it may be the Aryans, deforestation and decline of the agricultural sector, and it may be outbreak of certain epidemics. And that's all about the river valley civilizations in this page. In the coming periods, we have to discuss 3 more river valley civilizations or Bronze Age civilizations, and they are the Egyptian civilization, the Mesopotamian civilization, and the Chinese civilization. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, you are kindly requested to subscribe to this channel and share, please.